The chapter name is Number Operation. I am going to teach you subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing concept. So get ready. Let's take an example to understand the concept of subtraction. Here is Mr. Rabbit. He is eating carrots. He is saying, I had 6,000 carrots in my garden. 2,456 have been eaten by me and my friends. Now Mr. Rabbit wants to know how many carrots are left in his garden. There is Mr. Parrot. He's saying, I can tell you because I know the basic rules of subtraction. Students, do you know what are the basic rules of subtraction? Always write the greater number above and the smaller number below it. While subtracting, start from the right. Means subtract number in the ones column first. Greater number can't be subtracted from the smaller number. In that case, we can take borrow from the adjacent column. We need to subtract these two 4-digit numbers, 6,000 and 2,456. To subtract these two numbers, I need to write them one below the other. I will write the 6,000 above because it's a bigger number, and I will write the 2,456 below because it's the smaller number. I will start from the ones place. That is the rightmost place. Can I take away this 6 from 0? No. We can't subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. What can I do? There is nothing at ones place. There is nothing at tens place. And even there is nothing at 100 place. Then what do? I will take borrow from the 1,000 place because 1,000 place is the only place having a digit other than the 0. Okay, we borrow from the 1,000 place and 0 of 100 place becomes 10. Now the 6 of 1,000 place is 5 now. Yes. And the 100 place have tens. This 10 will give 1 to the 0 of the tens place. Tens place, on 10 place we have 10 now, and on 100 place we have 9 now. Now 10 of the tens place will give a borrow to the 0 of ones place. So on 1 place we have 10 and 10 of the tens place is 9 now. Now we can easily subtract them. Look here at ones column. This is tens. There are tens ball. I will cut 6 out of 10. How many are left? There are 4 balls. In the same way, if you have 9 balls, cut 5 from them. How many are left? 4 balls. Here in 100 columns, we have 9. Draw 9 balls. Cut 4 from them. 5 is left. In 1,000 column, we have 5. Draw 5 balls and cut 2 of them. We have 3 balls. While subtracting, just remember the rule. Each digit can borrow to the digit on his left, and each digit can lend only 1 to the digit on right. Let's take one more example. First we will subtract two numbers, then we will check either our answer is correct or not. Let's take two numbers, 4,532 minus 2,017. Place them in place value table. Start from the right side, that is from the ones column. Observe, 2 is less than 7, so we cannot subtract 7 from 2. We need to take borrow from the neighbor, that is the tens column. So 3 will give 1 to 2 and 2 becomes equal to 12. and 3 is now 2 after giving borrow to this 2. 12 minus 7, we have 12 balls. Cut 7 from them. The answer is 5. Here we have 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. In hundreds column, we have 5 minus 0. If you have 5 balls, I will take 0 from you, means I will take nothing from you. What is left? 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The answer is 2515. Now I want to check either I have solved the question correctly. For that purpose, I will write this second number 2017 in this table in the same way. And I will write this answer 2515 above it. 2, 5, 1 and 5. Now I will add these two amounts. One is second number of the question and second is answer of the question. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 will come here and 1 is carry over to tens column. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. In 100 columns, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. In 1000 column, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This answer should be equal to this first line. Let's see, 4532. 4532. It's equal to this number. It means we have solved the question correctly. Dear students, do you know which Islamic month is this? This is the month of Zikat. After this, next Islamic month is Zilhajj. Do you know the importance of Zilhajj? Yes, on 10th Zilhajj we celebrate Eid al-Adha. We do Qurbani on that Eid. This is the Sunnah of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. On the same day, every year Muslims perform Hajj in Makkah. Now come towards your home assignment. Do exercise 2B on your book in neat handwriting and in precise way. Also write down 12 times table on your notebook. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.